Underground beats are still the meta, and nobody's telling you this because they want to just profit off of you. So now, if I have your attention, let me introduce myself. I'm ihateinvain. I've blown up multiple channels, and I'm currently, like nobody else right now, still making them, blowing them up, and still having like couple in my arsenal. So let me just go straight to the point because one of my channels is actually right now going crazy, and the meta now are underground beats, underground niches, and just to preface this, I want to give you free advice. I want to give you, this is more like a mindset video because you need a mindset shift. Don't need another video of a guy talking like looking for the best niches. I know I'm making those videos too, but I just want to help you out. If you're still wanting to start out, because I hit this word really, wanting to start out, because the difference between me and you is I take action. I open another channel while you're still ruminating on like doing this or not doing, you know? So let me just switch the scene and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Let's go, bro. My tab, how to mix hard techno. I'm looking some transitions for my DJ set, which is happening tomorrow in Warsaw. If you happen to watch this, come over and say hello. Yeah, like straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time. So see, this like might be not really good because your mind is already corrupted. Your mind is already corrupted with all the noise happening and all the advice, because in reality, you don't need another video. You don't need another guy to tell you like, no, you shouldn't do this, you should do that instead. You shouldn't fucking like listen to all those guys. Because what I preach in all of my videos, right? What I preach every fucking day is to have your own brain. And if you don't trust yours, you can trust mine. Join my school community. I help with your channel. I have helped to scale it. I help to grow it more than like, I don't want to waste more time of this video. So just check the first link in the description, bro. But as you may see here, what's happening right now? What the fuck? 30 subscribers, really like underground niche, bro. Like this couldn't be more specific than that. And Juno is like, what the fuck, bro? And look, 550 views and decent ratio of likes. 15, it's not that crazy. But what I'm trying to say with that, oh fuck, the scene broke again on me. What I'm trying to say with that, like you see constantly I'm pulling 500, 400, 300, 200. The ratio of subscribers is not that good really, but like straight to the point, bro. Underground niches like this one with anime girls on photos, it don't have to be digicord. Like there are so many. There are some Jersey like club niches, like aesthetic rap, really like I'm talking really like old niches, you know, because the meta right now, is to look for niches that are unoccupied, because the type beats are the game of supply and demand. That's a good one. I might make a video like that. But you have to understand how supply and demand works. If there is a YouTube tutorial, right, and I'm pointing to some niche like this one, and now 50 guys are gonna make the channel in this niche. Are they gonna succeed? Couple of them, because they might make better beats than me, of course. Couple may be lucky, but this is a small percentage. And if you scale this to like thousands of views, thousands of guys making channels, what the fuck is gonna happen? Like what the fuck you think is gonna happen? And this is all for YouTube. Like if you're just using Claude or Gemini, like I'm a huge proponent of AI, you know, but use your fucking brain once. Use your fucking brain once and pick a like actionable step for this video actually. Pick a fucking type of music you like that is not currently mainstream. Because this is like also another thing, you can hop on a trend, but I'm already talking about the sound that was established. Like my main channel, for example, if we look right here, another example, because I'm blowing this channel up as well. And whoa, huge surprise. I'm being consistent with my tag every day. This is the same. I'm being consistent with my aesthetic that I know because I created this aesthetic 3 years ago. And look, I'm getting results as well. 140 views, 80 views, 70 views, 40 views. But you may say, no, that's really low views. Bro, this is Snow Strippers plus Crystal Castles type beat. This is not fucking like just word type beat, like Lil Uzi Vert type beat, you know? You have to change your mindset because the views don't sell the beats. Like the views are helpful, of course. If you blow a video to 500k, that's nice. But mainly what sells, and this is also another point, those underground niches are so goated because the fan base is so loyal. The fan base is, let me just pull up, yesterday I got the, let me, so, like just listen, bro. I got this message from a guy who was going through my catalog, right?
I spent probably like 5 hours going through the beats and listening to them. And on God, like genuinely, bro, from someone that can like acknowledge visions how they're meant to be like portrayed, and like I can, I mean, I feel like I can kind of see into your mind a little bit with your style. And genuinely, that shit is like generational, bro. Like nobody does it like you, and the vision you have and the way you.
Listen, I'm not here to stay and brag on you, like, this is, I'm trying to help you. I already did my thing, I already know the methods, so I'm really here to give you free advice and help you, because I see so many channels that are underdeveloped with potential, because I hear the beats are good, but you lack, this is like with getting clean, you have to eat the same shit every day, every fucking single day. And there is no shortage, there is no, I don't feel like it today. Oh, because I just, I trained today so I can go to McDonald's, right? Right? No, no, you find. And this is the same with type beat channels. You have to stay fucking consistent, stay fucking on point, bro. The beats have to be good, but the beats aren't the main selling point. The beats are, if they like, for the beats to sell, they have to be good. But for all the other stuff, the aesthetic, the consistency, the everyday uploading, right now not so much, but you should, because you don't know what I know. And bro, just start posting. Just pick one keyword. Pick one keyword. Like, I can give you endless examples, like sleazy world go. I also like tried to transition my channel to this, but sleazy world go, bro. 2 years ago, 500k, 8 million views 3 years ago. And you think, if you start the channel right now, and let me just see how many people are doing it. Okay, there are some guys which I can see like this is not gonna go good. I think like, okay, maybe not sleazy world go. It's, I see so many guys right now doing it. But like, you see, this is the mentality. This is the idea that you have to look for a niche that was really blowing up. Like maybe fucking Eat Type Beat even, bro. Let me see the Eat Type Beat. I'm genuinely curious about this because I haven't heard for so long. Okay, so there are still people killing it in this niche, so it might be hard. But like, think with your Lucky plus Eat, what the fuck, this is great niche. This is a great idea actually. And Destroy Lonely, another one, like, do you hear often about this show? No, because he's like over, like people don't listen to him. Like, you have to use your brain and stand out. You have to stand out. You know why my main channel blown up? Like, the times were easier, of course, then, but my main channel blew up because I was different. My channel was different. My visualizers were different back then. Nobody did it like me. Like, if you can see here, like, not here, but like here, those types of graphics, of visualizers, like, this was unseen. And with random tags like Brutalismus 3k, trans sampled, bro, 9k views. This is like, can we go more niche? Like, what the fuck, bro? So stop trying and ruminating and, oh, I'm gonna do this tomorrow. No, I'm gonna watch the next fucking video, wait till the next video comes out. Maybe there will be some, no, invent yourself, invent your style. Do fucking, like, do something differently. Like, see, not this channel. For example, on this channel, this gives me a lot of headache because I have to render the videos in CapCut instead of using my software to upload the beats. But this stands out consistently, 40 views, 20 views, and the way the YouTube works now, those results, if you have an untrained eye, those results might be like bad for you. But I know if the views are consistent and they are going up, they're gonna go up forever. Like, not forever, but they are gonna scale. And look, the freaky font with the visualizer. Like, I know there are people doing it, like, but maybe they are not doing in this particular niche. You can not like steal ideas, but you can borrow ideas and transform them from different niches and use it for your, like, use your fucking imagination for once. Use your fucking imagination, and I guarantee you will see results if you just do this. And not, like, if you try enough times, you won't fail. I can show you multiple channels that failed. Multiple. You know why? Because this is a game of probability. If you keep trying enough, one channel eventually is going to blow up. But if you keep just making excuses and like, I can't do because like the game is oversaturated, it's fucking not, bro. It's fucking not. The times are harder, but the game is not saturated. You just have to be creative. You just have to be better than others. That's it from me today. Bye.